Hey guys, this is Ryan at Doyle's Automotive. I just wanted to come at you with a little tip about diagnosing communication faults or really any trouble codes on motor vehicles today. And the number one thing is visual inspection before digging in and wasting any time and breaking out meters and scopes and getting all crazy. A little visual inspection can save you a whole lot of time and really keep your day going. We have a 2011 Jeep Wrangler here. The customer complaint is the flashing sway bar light on his dashboard. This does have the disconnectable sway bar with the module under the vehicle here. We did a full scan, and we could not communicate with that module. However, in our central gateway module, the TIPM, we do have a lost communication with automatic sway bar system. So before we went any further, breaking out scopes, checking meters, and going crazy, we just came down here and checked the connector. And you can see our problem right here is we have some water intrusion, which tends to be pretty common on these beings at the location of the module. This here is the sway bar module. This is where it's located. This is the connector right at the front. As you can see, it's not a good place for it. If we disconnect this connector, get up in there. You can already see water coming out of there. If we take a look inside of the cavity, there is water, and our main power pin here is melted. And if you look inside this connector, you can see that water coming out. And I'll tell you, that water dripping on my arm right now is actually hot. That power lead is definitely shorted inside there. Again, this was diagnosed and looked at in 5 minutes. Save yourself a lot of time, save your customer a lot of money in diagnostic time, and it's in and out the door quick. Thanks guys, have a good one.